Hello traders, welcome to tradingwithbill.com. It's a Thursday. Yes, I got the day right today. It is Thursday today, not yesterday. Traders, it is November 16th, 2017. Currently 8:52 in the morning. That would be 20:52 on Wall Street. Traders, great to be with you. Another day at the trading desk. Had a good walk this morning on the beach today. Aggressive walk I do every morning just before the sun comes up. It was really nice. So, what's going on? Well, just a little commentary today. I got to tell you, these markets are not easy. If you're taking hits, please take small hits. I got a break even yesterday, and I got a 12 pip loss yesterday. And that 12 pip loss ended up going another 30 pips against me if I was still in the trade. You've got to get out of these trades if they go against you. If you get break even, you don't like it, get out. I was in that euro yen yesterday. That trade I was in for over 4 hours. I got into it after I did the video, and I got out of it in the middle of London Open. The London Open, it was like 2 hours later, I got out of it. Just be aware of it. I know traders are taking hits. Take small hits. It's okay. But we need to stay engaged, right? We don't want to be on the sidelines. We need to be in the market. It's just so important that you're engaged. If you're trading standard lots, go to mini lots. If you're doing mini lots, bring your mini lots down. Traders, I trade mini lots, but I'm in 5 or 6 trades a day. I spread my capital out amongst a lot of different pairs, and that to me works. So if I take a loss or I take 2 losses, you know what? I might have 3 wins, and that's the way I trade. And I just think it's a good way to do money management. So important. The trade goes against you, get out. All right? All right. And by the way, the euro yen, I think it moved like 13 pips in 5 hours, up and down, right? Doing this. 5 hours. Let's take a look at what's going on in the news today. We have the Aussie had employment change at 3.7, expecting 17.5. Full employment change was 24.3, no forecast. Participation rate was 65.1. They were expecting 65.2. And unemployment rate is 5.4, which is better. They were expecting 5.5. What do we have coming up, my friends, on this Thursday? Great British Pound, again, has data today. Core retail sales, year on year, month on month. And what do we got here? Retail sales, of course, month on month, year on year, all comes out today. We got some Spanish 10-year obligation auction. And then, again, we have retail sales month on month out of the pound. Yeah, just a lot of stuff today. Euro has CPI year on year and month on month today. Export price index out of the U.S. today. Import price month on month also today out of the U.S. Initial jobless claims comes out today. Philadelphia Fed manufacturing comes out today. Say that 10 times quickly. And Philly Fed employment comes out today. Oh, wow. Full day today, huh? Industrial production month on month out of the U.S. And we got a bunch of FOMC jabber jaws, jabber, coming out today, as they do. On a Friday, let's look at what's coming out in Asia. New Zealand business PMI comes out in Asia. Well, actually, before Asia, it's a close of New York. And that PPI also coming out. Other than that, that's it. So New Zealand has data coming out at the end of the U.S. session, like right at the end of the U.S. session. All right, what's going on what happened in the indices? Gold, 2,279, pretty much staying in the same area. Crude oil, WTI at 55.34, and Brent oil is at 61.94. U.S. coffee is negative 0.31%. Let's take a look at the indices today. The one that really hits me is this dollar index. This dollar index at 93.75, this is inching low. It's taking a beat. And we're going to look at the dollar yen today when we get to the charts. This thing is just on a downfall. Got to be careful of that when you're trading your dollar pairs, right? You know, the dollar pairs are going to take this hit. You're going to see it in your trading. So just keep an eye on that, okay? S&P futures up 0.12%. NASDAQ futures up 0.18%. Dow is down 0.58%. Small cap 2000 down 0.44%. S&P VIX positive 12.39%. Now it's 13.29% as I speak. And DAX is negative 0.44%. And the Nikkei 225 is up 0.62%. That's what's going on, my friends. Let's head over to the charts. Here is the euro yen that I was, I'm sorry, this is dollar yen that I was talking about. And you can just see this screen here when we look at this dollar yen. It's just in a thing to the downside, right? So this is bearish, right? And look at these. If we took a fib here, let's do this. If we take a fib, and I'm a fib nut. I just I fib a lot of stuff. I just do. I just like Fibonacci. It works for me. Okay, so if you take this whole thing, look at how accurate this is. So this comes down, pulls back up to the 38.2 right here. Okay, a little bit of an overshoot. We expect that, and then dumps right back down again. Now it's at support. You know, hopefully we'll see this bounce from here and head back to the upside, right? Hopefully. All right, let's take a look at the euro. And let's see what we got going on in the euro. And of course, that's not going to work. Yeah, crazy week today, huh? Oh, what is up with this today? Golly. Maybe it's me. Maybe it's me. Maybe it's not the charting system. All right, so here we are on the euro. Now, this thing took a uptick yesterday, right? It had this thing move up. And listen, that doesn't mean that the euro is bullish. I'm not biased bullish on this euro. I'm still bearish on this. Okay, it had a couple of good days. All right. Trust me, it's coming back down. So we're going to look to take this to the downside. And you can see I put some arrows on here, and these arrows went on before. But, you know, if you get to 1790.95, you know, we're at 1789.90 right now. You know, I'd look to get below this level here at 1788. So 1785, you know, 1780, look to short this. We got time, and we have nothing left of the chart. So you can take this down here, and you're coming all the way down here, my friends, and we're coming down all the way to 1678. If we can get this break to the downside.
It's 9 hours.
If we can get this break to the downside, we're going to be fine taking this down, right? Just get through the support, right, and get it down here. We got a wide open space. There's nothing left of the chart. You just got to love this kind of a chart for trading. I understand it's a 30-minute chart. All right? All right. Last one, my friends. Let's take a look at, what are we going to take a look at? EURAUD. I got to tell you, this is, again, one of my favorite pairs of Euro Aussie. You know, 2 years ago, this pair was moving 150, 140 pips a day, every day in directions. It was great. Now it's a little harder. But look at this. This is a nice pair here. So, again, we're looking at this, right? So we're looking to get in this at 1.5490. 1.5490, we're going to get in this. Now, what's the issue here? Because I know you all are smart, and you see what I see, right? We got support here at 1.5469, right? So you just got to be careful with that, and then we'll get through that, and then we're going to break down to our next level, right? And that's 1.5381. So we're fine. Let's get this trade on. Realize you're going to get a bounce here, and accept the bounce, and wait for it to come back down. So if you get a bounce, well, you got to put your stop, folks. Yeah, your stop's got to be a pretty healthy stop. It stops at 1.54, 55, I'm sorry, 5,600. I can't read the charts, man. 1.6600. The reason I can't read the charts, my folks, is not because of my eyes. It's because of the spotlight that's beaming on my head. All right, traders, that's what we're looking on this Euro Aussie. I'm really looking forward to trading this pair today, and we'll see what we can do here. Watch your dollar index and just, you know, just be at your charts when you're trading. It's not time to go walk the dog. Traders, thank you for being with me this week. It's really been great. As you know, I do not do a video on Friday. We will see you on Monday Please have a great weekend. Enjoy your weekend break, and we'll see you Monday morning in Asia. Always remember to trade smart, not hard. Catch you next time. Have a great weekend all. Bye-bye.